ഹലോ, എൻ്റെ പേര് അഭിമന്യു. സോഷ്യൽ ഫ്രീലാൻസർ ചാനലിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ സംസാരിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഹൗ ടു മൗണ്ട് എ ക്യാമറ ഓൺ എ ഗൊറില്ല പോഡ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ഓൾ, the camera which I am shooting on is a Canon EOS 550D with lens 18 to 200 mm Sigma, and the camera which I'm going to mount is Nikon D3000 with lens Nikkor 35 mm. Okay, let's jump in and I will show you how to mount a Gorilla Pod. Okay guys, okay, first you have to do is just hold your camera upside down. Okay, then take your Gorilla Pod, and if the Gorilla Pod is in whichever position, that's not a problem. Okay, take your Gorilla Pod and you can see this thing, right? Attach that to your camera like this. Gorilla Pod also be in a upside down position. Okay, do like this. And next thing what you have to do is rotate the Gorilla Pod. Just keep rotating. You can do this by holding the camera in a normal way also. Okay guys, I hope you understand how to mount a Gorilla Pod. It's up to you. In a normal way also you can mount the Gorilla Pod, but the way which I am doing is holding the camera upside down. That is a bit easy way to do it. This Gorilla Pod, actually my sister gave this as a gift on my birthday from Amazon. I'll provide the link in the description below. It is worth for any work you are doing. If you are shooting any vlog or if you are taking any selfies or something like that, it is worth a good product. It is worth a good product. It is strong. Anyway, it is a good product. You can try this. You can buy from Amazon or wherever you want to. Okay guys, that's all. If you like the video, you can like and subscribe. And if you want to share it with your friends or family to reach this item, you can share as well. Okay, so along with this Gorilla Pod, I also got one connector to mount mobile phones as well. If you want to shoot the vlog or you want to take selfies, this connector will be very useful. I'll come with another topic tomorrow or day after tomorrow. And one more thing, if you have any topic, please do comment below. I'll definitely make a video about that. Okay, that's all from today. Cheers guys, thank you.